Hey learners, let's train your mouth to say the English TH sound.
Pronunciation workout, no timer stress. Ready?
We're exercising your tongue and air, not your muscles. When T and H come together, they make a special sound. Put your tongue gently between your teeth. Now blow air out slowly. Th, not to, not su, th. Don't hide your tongue like an S sound. Let's practice. Let's warm up together. Say it slowly. Th. Again, th. Again, listen. Th. Once more. Th. Great job. Nice. Keep your tongue relaxed. Your tongue must be slightly outside. Watch the difference. Don't bite your tongue. Just touch lightly. Use soft air, not a strong puff. First sound, voiceless t, like in think. Watch my mouth. Ink. Let's practice the th sound together. Great job. Thank. This is how we say thank. Remember to use it to show gratitude. Keep practicing. Thin. Your throat is quiet, no vibration. Touch your throat. It should feel still. Repeat after me. Think, thank, thin. Now the voice TH sound. Like in this. This. That. This word has a voiced th sound. Quick tip, the A is a short sound. Practice. They.
This time your throat vibrates.
Turn your voice on. Repeat. This, that, they. Listen, thin, sin, and sin has a s sound. Practice them. Thin has tongue out. Sin does not. Think. I think it's a good idea. Sink. The boat will sink in the water. Listen for the voiced d sound. Small movement, big difference. Hear the difference? Let's go faster. Think, thank, this, that, they, those, three. This is my thumb. Thank you for this. Use this phrase when you receive a specific item. Now you try it. They think that. Excellent work. See your tongue? If I can't see your tongue, it's not TH. Practice in front of a mirror. You just finished a TH workout. You did it. Practice a little every day. Clear pronunciation builds confidence, so practice daily to improve.
Like and subscribe for more English workouts. See you in the next lesson.